Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking focus to an actionable shortcut. Open Settings, enable or create the specific focus mode you'll use. Make sure it's named clearly so you don't pick the wrong one. Once set, open Shortcuts and choose Automation, then New Automation right arrow when focus is turned on. Make sure your target wallpaper image and any alternative app icons are saved to photos or files. You'll reference them in the shortcut. This eliminates guesswork and moves directly into building the actual actions. Now assemble the shortcut that runs when focus activates. Add a set wallpaper action, pick lock screen, home screen, or both, and point it to your saved image. If you're swapping app icons, use get file or get photo, then run script or use URL schemes that install custom icons. Place those steps before wallpaper so the home layout updates cleanly. Once done, insert brief wait actions if needed to avoid race conditions. Test the sequence inside shortcuts to confirm each step executes in order. Finish by enabling the automation and disabling ask before running so focus triggers make changes without prompts. Once enabled, flip your focus to test. The shortcut should change icons then wallpaper. If something fails, add a brief wait between actions, confirm shortcuts has photos and files access, and re-export icon files if needed. For stubborn icon changes, consider packaging icons into a profile or reapplying the home screen layout. If nothing helps, restart the device and rerun the shortcut to clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.